I will show you how to solve HTTP error. So I will go to Google Chrome browser localhost / phpMyAdmin, write down here and enter HTTP error 404. Open new tab and write down here localhost / my website. Enter same problem here. So we can solve this problem just one step. Now we'll go to search button. I'll go to search button and write down here XAMPP control panel. Yes, and double click open XAMPP control panel and going to config. Here I will double click and Apache httpd.conf and click press Ctrl F and write down here 80. Press enter. Edit this code 8080. Again press enter and this code edit 8080. Okay, cannot found this, so I'll go to file and save option, click here. And now start Apache and MySQL. Again search this localhost phpMyAdmin. So we can start write down clone localhost clone 8080. Press enter. Wow, finished this problem. We can solve this problem 100% solved. Again I will go to Google Chrome browser and write down Google localhost clone 8080 / my website. Enter.